Hi guys, this is IGCSE O-Level Chemistry, paper 22, March 2016, question 11. Which reaction does not occur in the extraction of aluminum? So, aluminum ions are reduced to aluminum metal. This is correct. Aluminum oxide reacts with carbon to produce aluminum and carbon dioxide. This does not happen. Oxide ions are oxidized to oxygen gas. This is correct. And carbon anode burns away in oxygen producing CO2. This is also correct. So the correct option for this question is option B. Question 12. Which substance could not be used as a fuel to heat water in a boiler? Ethanol. Ethanol can be used. We've got hydrogen, which can also be used because it burns exothermically. Methane also burns exothermically. Oxygen gas is non-flammable. It will not be used to heat water in a boiler because it cannot be used to produce energy by burning. So option D is the correct option for this question. Question 13. Which row describes an endothermic reaction? So the energy needed to break bonds is 400 for A, and the energy released by forming bonds is 200. So 400 minus 200 would give us an energy change of positive 200, and the temperature would decrease. So this is correct. In B, we've got 400 minus 800, which will give us minus 400. This is an exothermic reaction. The temperature should increase. So this is incorrect as well. The enthalpy change is negative is being incorrect, and the temperature decreasing being incorrect. Next, we've got 600 minus 200, giving us a value of positive 400. This is correct, but the temperature should decrease, not increase. And the last one is 600 minus 800, giving us a value of negative 200, which makes this reaction exothermic, and the temperature for an exothermic reaction should increase. So the one with the correct enthalpy change value and the correct way in which the temperature changes is given in option A, making A the correct option for this question. Question 14. A reversible reaction is shown. Which statement about an equilibrium mixture of NO2 and N2O4 is correct? If the pressure is decreased, the amount of N2O4 increases. This is not correct because a decrease in pressure will favor the side with a greater number of moles. So that would favor the backward reaction, not the forward reaction. So A is incorrect. B. If the temperature is increased, the amount of N2O4 increases. This is an exothermic reaction. An increase in temperature will favor the backward reaction. C. The rate of formation and decomposition of N2O4 are not the same. No, they are the same because this is an equilibrium. The decomposition of N2O4 is an endothermic reaction. Yes, since the forward reaction is exothermic, the backward reaction has to be endothermic. This makes option D the correct option for this question. Question 15. Which statement about catalysts in chemical reactions is not correct? Catalysts are not used up in the reaction. Yes, they are not. They are regenerated at the end. Catalysts increase the energy of the reacting particles. No, catalyst has no effect on the energy of the reacting particles. It only decreases the requirement of activation energy. A catalyst increases the rate of reaction. Yes, that is what the purpose of catalyst is. Catalyst lower the activation energy. Yes. So this makes option B the correct option for this question. Question 16. Zinc is extracted from zinc blende by roasting it in air to form zinc oxide. The zinc oxide is then heated with carbon to form zinc. The equation for the reactions are shown. Which statement about reaction 1 and 2 is not correct? In reaction 1, the oxidation state of sulfur increases and it is oxidized. That is correct. In zinc blende, it has an oxidation state of -2. In SO2, it has an oxidation state of +4. So this is correct. In reaction 1, the oxidation state of zinc increases and it is oxidized. No, the oxidation state of zinc is positive 2 in zinc blende and positive 2 in zinc oxide, so it stays the same. In reaction 2, carbon acts as a reducing agent and it is oxidized. Yes, a reducing agent reduces other species while itself it gets oxidized. So this is correct. In reaction 2, the oxidation state of zinc decreases and it is reduced. This is correct as well. Carbon goes from 0 to +2 and zinc goes from +2 to 0. So zinc gets reduced. Therefore, the correct option for this question is option B. Question 17. The diagram shows an energy level diagram for a reaction, and this is an exothermic reaction because the products are at a lower energy level than the reactants. The diagram shows that the reaction is dash. It is exothermic. So this eliminates options A and B. And increasing the temperature increases the rate of reaction. A reason for this is that dash which words correctly complete gaps 1 and 2. So the reason for this is that activation energy decreases. So activation energy only decreases when a catalyst is added. So this is incorrect. And collision rate increases. Yes, an increase in temperature increases the rate of collision between the reactant molecules. So this makes option D the correct option for this question. Question 18. Concentrated hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. What is meant by the term strong and acid? Strong would mean that it contains a lower proportion of water. No, that would be concentrated, not strong. Strong would mean that it is fully ionized. Yes. So this eliminates options A and B. And acid would mean it is a proton acceptor or a proton donor. And acid is a proton donor, not a proton acceptor, eliminating option C and making option D the correct option for this question. Question 19. Which oxide is amphoteric? Aluminum oxide is amphoteric, calcium oxide is basic, carbon monoxide is neutral, and sodium oxide is basic as well. So option A is the correct option for this question. Question 20. A salt is made by adding an excess of an insoluble metal oxide to an acid. So this would make a soluble salt. How is the excess metal oxide removed from the mixture? Through filtration. So the options are chromatography, no. Crystallization, no. Distillation, no. Filtration, yes. So this makes option D the correct option for this question.